Have you ever listened to a native English speaker and thought, I know these words, but why can't I understand them? And why don't I sound like that?
Oh, all the time. It's like they're using a secret code, even with simple sentences.
Exactly. And that right there is the problem we're solving today. Welcome everyone to our channel. I'm Emily.
And I'm Paul. And in this video, we're going to introduce you to one of the most powerful techniques for improving your speaking and listening skills, shadowing.
That's right. This is the first lesson in our new Shadowing English Speaking Practice course. And don't worry, it's not as scary as it sounds. We're going to break it down step by step together.
So let's jump in. Emily, for our friends who are new to this, what exactly is shadowing?
Great question. Shadowing is like being an echo. You listen to a piece of English and then you immediately repeat it, trying to copy everything. The words, the rhythm, the music of the sentence.
The music? What do you mean by that?
I mean the intonation, the way the voice goes up and down, the stress on certain words, the way words connect together. For example, listen to this simple sentence, I am going to the park. A native speaker doesn't say, I am going to the park.
No, they don't. It sounds more like, I'm gonna go to the park, or even, I'm going to the park.
Precisely. When you shadow, you're not just repeating the dictionary form of the words, you're practicing the natural spoken form. You're training your mouth muscles to move in new ways.
That makes so much sense. So, it's like a workout for your mouth and ears at the same time.
Yes, and here's a fun fact for you. Our brains have something called mirror neurons. When we closely imitate someone, like in shadowing, these neurons fire and help our brain actually understand and internalize the movements and patterns, making it easier to reproduce them ourselves.
Whoa, so we're literally hacking our brains to learn English faster? That's awesome.
We totally are. Now, let's talk about how to do it. We can break it down into 3 simple levels. Level 1 is the Parrot level. You find a short audio clip, just a few seconds, and you repeat it word for word immediately after you hear it. The goal here is just to get your mouth moving.
Okay, so for example, we could use a clip from a cartoon or a simple podcast. Something like, hello, how are you today?
Perfect example. You hear hello, how are you today? And you immediately say, hello, how are you today? You don't overthink it. You just echo.
Got it. So, what's level 2?
Level 2 is where the magic really starts. We call it the expressive shadow. Now, you're not just repeating words. You're trying to copy the feeling and the energy. If the speaker sounds happy, you sound happy. If they ask a question, your voice goes up at the end.
So, it's like you're an actor practicing a line from a movie.
Exactly. For instance, if a character says excitedly, I can't believe we won, you don't just say the words flatly. You try to match their excitement. I can't believe we won.
I can't believe we won. I see. It feels different when you put the emotion in.
It really does. And finally, level 3 is the ultimate goal, simultaneous shadowing. This is where you try to speak at the exact same time as the native speaker. It's the hardest level, but it's incredible for building fluency and speed.
That sounds tough, but I can see how it would train you to keep up with natural conversation speed.
It is tough, but so rewarding. Now, to make sure you get the most out of your shadowing practice, we have a few pro tips for you.
Yes, tip number 1, start small. Don't try to shadow a 5-minute monologue on your first day. Pick a 10 to 20-second clip and master it.
Tip number 2, listen first. Before you even try to repeat, just listen to the clip a few times. Get familiar with the sounds and the rhythm.
And tip number 3, record yourself. This can feel a little awkward, but it's the best way to hear the difference between you and the original audio. You'll be amazed at your progress over time.
And my personal favorite, tip number 4, use a mirror. Watch your mouth movements. Do they match how a native speaker would form the words? It feels silly, but it works.
Fantastic advice. Okay, so we've learned what shadowing is, the 3 levels, and some pro tips. Now we have a challenge for all of you.
We do. Your mission, should you choose to accept it, is this. This week, find one short clip from a movie, TV show, or even one of our videos, just 10 seconds long, and practice shadowing it for just 5 minutes each day.
Just 5 minutes. You can do that. Try the Parrot level first, and if you're feeling brave, move up to the expressive shadow. The key is consistency.
And we want to hear about your experience. Let us know in the comments what clip you chose and how it went. Was it difficult? Fun? Did you notice anything new?
We read every single comment, and we love cheering you on.
And that's a wrap for our first shadowing practice lesson. Thank you so much for watching and for dedicating time to your English journey. We are so proud of you.
If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up. It really supports our channel.
And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss the next lesson in our shadowing course. We have so much more fun stuff planned for you.
Keep practicing, stay curious, and we'll see you in the next video.
Bye for now.
Goodbye.